Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace screen for Dell Latitude E7450. So to change the screen you're gonna need a tiny screwdriver which is similar to this, and any sharp plastic bit, so one of these. Let's get started. First of all, we'll have to remove this bezel here. So there is no screw attached to it. So all you need to do is just use one of the plastics to remove the screen bezel. You'll have to carefully remove some glues attached to it. So when you're removing it, just be a bit careful. So once you remove the front bezel, there are 4 screws attached to it. There's one here, another one here, and 2 here. I'm going to remove these screws. Another one here. Now the screen will come off. On this part there will be a, we'll have to remove this. So this screen's never been opened before, so there will be some protection. Now remove this blue part. As you can see, just unplug it, and if you pull it, the connection will come off. There you go, the screen has come off. So now if you need the part number here for this laptop, you can check it out. And this is the part number for the laptop. To put all of these back again, you just need to plug it in. Now before I close it, I'll put this back in. Should be all connected now. Now before you put everything back on, just turn the laptop on and see if the cables are connected properly and the screen is working. Then you can put everything back in. So I'm going to put the screws back in. Once the screws back on, you just need to clip the bezel in. So place in the right place and then just push gently. close it. Screens back on. Just make sure all the edges are plugged in properly, so when you close the laptop the bezel won't come off. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.